is going on? Today is Thursday, October 3rd, 10:42 today. Damn, where did those come from? Didn't realize. Um, Today we just talked a game, got Real 0-4. That's fine. You're fuck. But today was not a bad day in the market. Not bad. Rough, but trade like uh loss wise, but we came back, we stepped up to the plate, and we knew we could make it back, and we did. And we ended up profiting for the day. Jeez. All right, let's take him to the top. Tomorrow's Friday. I don't know if I'm gonna trade, and I'll show you a reason why. Yeah. All right. So today, Thursday, October 3rd. I took 5 trades today, which is a little bit more than I wanted to, which I was talking about more trades than I wanted to take, but came out on top. Realized just a 9-day touch day, and I got caught in small moves until I realized that the 9-day was the play for the day. Took 5 trades, which is more than I wanted, but I ended up with a decent thing. Then yesterday I had a moment where I was in and out and didn't trust my analysis price move without me, but we coughed good in the end. I probably fucked up spelling. But I took a trade in AM for like a loss. And then I took a long here off the bounce of 9-day to go, but price didn't want to go, so I exited quick. But my long my entry for that really should have been at that 9-day with stops very tight instead of entering at the top and your stops being below 9. Because then if price does end up coming back, then at least you only lost a little bit rather than the whole candle plus your stop loss. And then for some reason I went short. I went short on this. No, I went long, and then I got bottom worked out because I was scared. Dumbass when I do James for the day to hold up. And the price spiked. Realized that 9-day was solid, so I entered on a contract here. Leave me alone. Contract here, and we profited about 540 on that. So that brought us about a break even. And then price chopped around that 9-day. I was just not messing with it because I don't know if price wanted to dump off or price was gonna hold like it did. But price ended up pumping, and I was like, all right, cool. 9 days valid for the day because we had touch here, touch here. I see another touch, and then price touch. I went long and pretty much caught the top of that candle. Which was an amazing thing. And then price obviously came back and pumped up once again. So it's really just higher, higher, low, higher, 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 low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. Then make the low. So I ended up profiting about 324.50 on each account, leaving us with a total profit of $649 for the day. So these two accounts are sitting just shy of 51,000. Here and here, whereas these candles, this move to here and this move to here is where I profited the most. As you see, it's just 9-day touches and sometimes a small dip through and then the rip, like using the rip here and then wicked out and then had the rip. So it's got to be a little bit more lenient with my positions. So need to be able to trust myself a tad more and do a very good job overall. To be honest, I was really looking at this 200-day rejection for. Oh yeah, I was looking at this rejection. I want to see price come up and reject like it did, but ended up just bouncing up that 9-day and pumping like crazy. And for today's 3 green days, we profited a total of $3,159.72 across all the accounts and all the profits added up. So $3,000 in 1 week is absurd. That is fantastic. Because we had that $1,200 day, we had that $600 day, we had another $600 day, we had $800. So we did really good. And because this. I was really, really proud because that's literally an entire account passed. And roughness, I was just talking about roughness, the pinnacle of greatness. Ended the day at 469, much love. So yeah, today was very good. Tomorrow, game plan wise, think about that. Tomorrow we have non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate all at 8:30, so that will either set a lot of volume into the market, downside or upside, or consolidation side. Just depending on how news comes out on that. did fill this out today. So my first loss was lost a total of 230. Then I lost at 370. Then I lost to 7,000 or 700. So I was like, dang, I'm really down about. I was down quite a bit on each account. Close to $700 each account. The account literally dipped below 49,000 or under 50,000, and then I caught a win for 810, and then I caught a win for 1100. So, I did the math. It came out correct on that. So very good on that. And then to look at charts wise, we're going to look at that in TradingView. Charts wise today, price ended up going up $4. So my account is buttery smooth right now, but we were up $6 at a point. But that's really all I caught. I was catching this move. I was just playing this move up to the high, and then I caught a day, and then you can see price really just if you go to the 5 minute, after that, that pump this morning is really just that's a huge head and shoulders, boom, 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 boom. Price shadows character, but chart patterns obviously don't work, so it's just a double top, or whatever you want to call it. Invest $100 million double day boosting so. Yep. So it's news today that I made it go up. All right, that's nice. So yeah, but if you take a look for the past days, we have just been absolutely pumping. We had that red day the other day, yesterday or 2 days ago, but this range here seems that we were price has came back, bounced, dip below, bounced and bounced. So if we see another play here, our price maybe get back to that 128 break even level, and then let me go to the daily. And then if we see price, huge gap up here, pre-market or whatever, if we see price get back, what I don't want to see is a solid trend line. Go back. There's a very solid trend line. As you see, we did reject off it too. Honestly, I'm gonna just take my small loss and then find something else. But this is whatever. But if we all look at money down, it's just close to the hundreds. We did come back down not too long ago when I first entered. And then we pumped. So I've been riding this mess. Anyways, long video, 8 minutes, but regardless of that, we are golden to that's not a meeting, okay. We're golden to not trade tomorrow if we really don't want to, because we have completely profited and swept this week. With a good green day on Monday, no trades on Tuesday, which is a great call because Tuesday was terrible. Wednesday were good trades, and then today was fantastic. So, well, not fantastic, but it ended up good for us. So if we don't trade tomorrow, I'm cool with it. Actually, I probably won't, depending on how the unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls come in. But besides from that, that's really all I got. Just a trade recap for today. We profited. And gonna keep this chugging train going. So love you, bro. Good shit today.